Our readers voted this best barbecue of Northern Virginia.
Let's see why.
We're at Stupid Good BBQ. We are now with
John McCarter. I'm a barbecue enthusiast here at Stupid Good BBQ. You know, Stupid Good BBQ, the inspiration for the name comes from Dwight Fuller. We lost him way before his time, so he always would say that's stupid good whenever he tasted something that was fantastic. So now we're Stupid Good BBQ. So this is where all the activity happens. This is a oiler smoker. It has the capacity to cook hundreds of pounds of brisket, hundreds of pounds of pulled pork, lots of sausage, and lots of ribs.
Some sauce? Yeah, let's try it.
You get a lot of beefy, rich beefy flavor. There's a lovely bark here from being in smoke for such a long time.
smoking beef.
Really rich.
How did you celebrate winning NoVA Barbecue Wars?
Well, we celebrate here with a team, but it's an affirmation of all these people's hard work. You know, it's not easy doing barbecue. You have to be dedicated to cooking meat for a long time and hope that you get it right. So it's nice to be recognized in that way.